Designations of origin. The concept of origin can be quite complex when understanding Austria's wines. Origin is not only a definition of the specific wine growing region, it may also define the specific place that the wines come from.
Gebietswein.
Regional wine tier forms the base of the origin pyramid. The style of these wines is representative of the whole of that wine growing region. For example, dry white wines in this category are typically light, fresh or fruity, but there are also exceptions to this, such as a regional wine that has a more powerful style that's brimming with character.
Ortswein.
Ortswein refers to wines from a particular village or municipality. Wines in this tier are expected to have more body and complexity than those in the Gebietswein tier, but above all else, these wines should have a pronounced character that is typical of their particular village or municipality.
Riedenwein.
A Riedenwein, or Lagenwein, is the most specific designation of origin and naturally forms the top tier of the pyramid. These single vineyard wines should be strategically positioned as big, complex, long-aged wines with good storage potential. Reflecting the individual character of particular vineyards, these wines are impressive when young and become even more expressive through increased aging. Inherently, a Riedenwein should have the character of a reserve wine. However, not all DACH regions have established this three-tier system of more specific designations of origin yet. While simple, briefly aged wines labeled with the name of the vineyard are still marketed alongside big single vineyard wines, the term reserve can be used for clarification purposes.
Now repeat yourself.
Gebietswein. Ortswein. Riedenwein.